Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your JBL TUNE 770 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to press and hold power button to turn off your headphones, and then press and hold power button to turn on them. Your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happened with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and tap at your headphones at the device list. Next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up and volume down buttons, what located at the right ear cup, until your headphones will turn off. So press and hold. You can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else. Forget device. Also the same for LE. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have Refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. And we reconnect them. If you want to reconnect them with the application, you need to open the app and click Pair. Now, you need to check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is why you did it. When you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Now on your iPhone, open settings. Then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general line, scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. Then we need to go to the system. Scroll down, system. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line. Then you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click reset. But once you did it, again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!